আর লাগবো নাকি ডাঙার এইটো অলপ বালটো বেন্ড কৰি দিবা লাগছিল
We are heading towards Samarabad, and I request the YouTuber to put this up and put this scene especially.
And then also bikers.
Yeah, the bikers.
Please wear helmet.
Yeah, please wear. At the back also, like Sachin Tendulkar says. So we are about to reach Samala, and he's shooting behind the scenes. Our very first YouTuber. Okay, you can see these two walking ahead of us, leading the way. Okay, I'll switch back to myself.
At present, I am the highlight of the video. So, let me start by saying hi. You all might be wondering why I'm wearing this helmet. Because I am wearing this helmet because it's comfortable.
And these guys are talking about the bike. This bike. I'm going to look at that more better now with the specs on. Hello everyone, this is new me. See this little guy eating noodles. Yes, you can do refuel our bikes.
The price to go?
The petrol price over here is 51 per liter, and in India it is 75. You can see over there the fuel pump. Too many people over there to refuel their bikes, the vehicles. He is the first one to reach. We are the second, and we have one more bike behind us, who is a very slow rider, and the third one to reach. See there a monkey. I could spot a monkey. Another monkey spotted over there. I'm going with these guys behind me. It's a very, very beautiful place. Poing, 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 poing.
Oi, sabi tayo,